Meet Bob, a developer at Acme Corp. Bob wants to turn on his office lamp from his mobile device. But how can you connect a lamp to your mobile application? With Crossbario, his lamp and mobile connect to the Crossbario router and can now talk to each other. The lamp registers a procedure for turning on and off, and the mobile registers an interest when the lamp switches its state. Now Bob can turn on the lamp with the press of a button, from anywhere. When one of Bob's coworkers switches on the lamp, Bob is notified instantly on his mobile, or on his laptop, or on his smartwatch. This works for any number of lamps or end devices. Crossbario is secure, scales to handle hundreds of thousands of devices, and is used by hobbyists, banks, and telcos. It's also open source and part of a wider ecosystem around the WAMP protocol which it uses. Ready for effective, unified real-time communication between app components and devices? Start using Crossbario completely free today.